Surprise, surprise, surprise.
There we go.
Look at how we find Mike. How appropriate with bacon.
Hey, Rob.
Hi, guys.
You're just in time. You just brought it out.
I could smell it down at the beach.
How you doing,
I'm
Rob?
doing good. How are you doing?
Good.
Was that a surprise?
Yeah, how about that?
I didn't think
Have a piece. It's delicious.
I didn't think you'd turn down any bacon. And he made it just the way you like it, nice and crisp.
Yeah,
Oh man.
kind of really crisp out.
How are you doing, Mike?
I'm doing great, man.
Yeah, I
I'm doing
haven't
a lot
seen
better.
you. Well,
Yeah.
last time I saw you was at the party.
Right.
Yeah.
It's been a while. How are we going to do that thing? We're going to have a party soon? Or?
I want to,
How's it down
Especially-
at the beach?
especially for his birthday.
Right.
You know, his birthday is the important
How's
thing.
it down at the beach?
The beach is nice. Not the same without you.
I'm ready to go back down with you.
Yeah, your back's healed already?
Yeah, this morning I took a walk with my crutches
Just like that, huh?
out on the road. I'd rather walk on the beach.
Yeah. You think that's a smart idea, walking in that soft sand?
Huh?
I don't think that's a good idea, that soft sand.
Oh, it's okay. I'm good now.
Well, we'll think about it.
Come by 6:30 tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. I got to work tomorrow.
Man.
So did you outdo yourself there with the bacon?
Well, yeah. I think I cooked it to his liking. He said he wanted it crispy.
Were you online this morning?
Just for a brief moment.
Okay, I didn't. I was looking for you to pop up there, but I didn't see it.
So, yeah.
So did you find anybody to play chess with you yet?
Ah,
Nobody to play chess yet?
nobody.
Man,
He's looking for a taker.
I'm putting the word out there. I said even if you don't know how to play chess, Roy would probably teach you.
Yeah.
That way
Yeah, I'd like to.
you'd win all the time. Get a novice.
Huh?
So
We're
what-
down at Illinois Wiggins, huh?
Yeah, I was for a little while this morning.
Huh?
So you say you're feeling good now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready to hit the shore again.
No more pain, huh?
No? Well, I take my pain pill.
I got you.
He's ready.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it works all good.
Oh, good. So what have you been doing past couple days? Anything
I
exciting?
just go and read out on the porch. That's about it.
Do your reading?
Yeah.
You got any wisdom for us today now that you're eating your bacon? That bacon should give you some wisdom.
Yeah, that should, shouldn't
It should. What, you got some wisdom?
it? Yeah, my wisdom is accept the hospitality of good friends.
Amen.
Like old Mike here, he comes over, he brings his own bacon, he brings his pan, he brings everything,
You brought it all?
and he makes it for me.
That is so cool.
Yeah, what a guy.
I heard somebody else stop by the other day with some oranges and blueberries.
Yeah, did he ever?
Les came by.
Yeah,
I just saw him down at the beach.
yeah. We just had a blueberry this morning.
Oh, yeah?
He was down there, huh?
Man. Well, it seems like you're getting pretty well taken care of.
Yeah, and I had one of his oranges too.
Well, God bless him. It's nice to have good friends, isn't it?
Yeah, that's for sure.
All right.
Take care of you when you're cracked up.
Well, that doesn't happen very often.
He was trying to teach me the healthy ways.
The healthy
You
ways.
have oranges and
Yeah.
blueberries, and then I brought out the
I
bacon.
gotta have another piece of bacon.
Well, you gotta eat. You got 4 more pieces to go there, Roy.
Oh,
You had last Sunday. You had 8.
I've had my share. You dig in.
Last Sunday you had 8 pieces of
Mike,
bacon.
you have none too, man.
Oh yeah,
I've had my share.
Roy and his bacon. Now all you need is some blueberry pancakes, huh?
Uh-oh.
Now we gotta find somebody to make. Where's Scott?
Mike said he eats a lot of turkey.
A lot of turkey. Well, that's healthy. That's
Yeah.
good for you, turkey.
He
Turkey
gets a-
bacon? No
No
way.
turkey bacon.
I was gonna say
No
I just
turkey
couldn't.
bacon.
I couldn't see you doing turkey bacon.
That's not the real
The way you talk about bacon in the morning.
Yeah, that's right. I love my bacon.
He gets it all ground up.
The turkey?
Yeah, I didn't know they did that.
Yeah, you can make turkey burgers, and
Yeah.
I actually eat turkey pastrami instead of
Oh,
regular
yeah.
pastrami.
Turkey
I just like a
tacos.
breast of
Yeah.
turkey, like on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, That's just around the corner.
Yeah, the captain said he was going to try to bake a
Yeah.
turkey this year.
You're going to make a turkey this year?
I don't know. That's a good idea.
You're going to cook something other than a piece of fish? Do you know how? I don't think you know how to cook anything but fish.
Oh, that's a turkey. Sounds good.
Yeah, it does sound good. Thanksgiving turkey. I'm
Can
gonna
you
be-
remember back in the old days, and Grandma would come out with a big turkey out of the oven?
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, all the
yeah.
stuffing in it, the stuff along the sides. And, Oh, man.
I remember as I got older, the guys would sit around waiting for dinner to get ready. The ladies would all be in the kitchen working on dinner all day long, all morning.
Yeah,
Then they put the big spread out on the table.
yeah.
The guys come, sit down, spend
Oh,
about
man.
15 minutes, poop, we're done. Go back on the couch. Everybody sits down, starts watching football, and takes a nap.
Stomach hanging out.
Yep, and leave the ladies clean the table.
Wow.
Yeah.
They work all day long, and in 15
Turkey
minutes,
dinner.
it's over. I know you wouldn't do anything like
Well, it
that.
had all those side dishes. I don't know what they all were, but
Oh yeah, stuffing and cranberries,
applesauce,
and mashed potatoes, and green beans, and
stuffing it, yeah.
corn, and oh man,
Oh,
I
man.
have to run to the store
that's
real quick.
that's your time to feast.
Those are some days, weren't they?
They were. Well, I'm gonna be alone this Thanksgiving. My wife's taking her mom up. They're gonna go see the grandson and daughter and son-in-law. So maybe
where
I'll come
where
over.
are you going?
I'm staying here. My wife's going up to see our grandkid.
Oh, she's going on.
grandkids.
So you're going to
Yeah.
come over and you and Roy are going to cook some.
So, well, if Roy's cooking a turkey, I might come over
Well,
here.
you're going to be here by yourself?
Yeah.
Let's have some turkey together.
Well, we'll see. I'll see how your cooking skills are.
Yeah.
I don't want
Let's
to.
have turkey together.
I don't want a Swanson's turkey TV dinner.
Mike, come join us. We'll have a big turkey
I
banquet.
will. I might put some bacon on top of that turkey.
Wrap there.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
there's Mike. Mike is
Yeah,
always
you
thinking
know.
ahead. Wrap the
That'd be
turkey
good.
in bacon.
Right.
Hey, we'll have a banquet.
Maybe inject it with a little bourbon or something.
There you go.
Roy wouldn't know what to do with himself.
Man. Bring some cookies.
Yeah, who else will we get to have with our turkey bacon, our turkey banquet?
I don't know. You remember what we did last year?
Yeah.
We had it on the beach.
Yeah, we did.
Remember we
didn't
had Thanksgiving last year on the beach? Scott dropped it in the big fryer.
Oh, wow.
That's right.
That turkey
Wow.
lasted about 10 minutes. And it was
Yeah.
nothing but bones.
Yeah, with Thanksgiving on the beach.
Yep.
Are we going to do that again?
I don't think so. Everybody's staying low because of the virus. Hiding out because of the virus.
Huh.
That virus has everybody creeped out.
I don't have any virus myself.
You don't have a virus?
I don't believe in it.
Well, I don't believe in it either. I don't have it. I don't want it.
That's right.
I believe it's out there, but it's not bothering me.
If you can't see it, I don't believe it.
Really? What about your leg?
Huh?
What about your leg? What happened to your leg? You couldn't see those little bacteria.
You mean they're so skinny you can't see them?
I'm talking about those bacteria that ate half of your leg.
You know, they
Yeah.
say if you eat bacon every day, it keeps the virus away.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what Mike just said?
No, I didn't hear
He
it.
said if you eat bacon every day, it keeps the virus away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll have another piece.
There you go. That's
Good
what I was
show.
hoping
That's
you'd
what I'm
do.
talking about. Cheers.
A pound of bacon a day keeps the virus away.
A pound of bacon a day.
There you go.
God bless you. All right.
That's my man.
How
Well, let's-
much do you have here? Was it a pound
That
or
was a
more?
pound.
Pound. All right, let's see.
Huh?
Go ahead, go for it, Roy. Have another piece of Mike's
I'm
bacon.
going to have another piece.
There we go.
Come on, you guys. You
We're gonna follow it.
have another piece.
Boom. What do you think? 5 stars?
I'll do
Wow.
one.
Is it
That's where it's at.
okay? Better than first watch?
Uh,
Whoa!
equal.
Equal? Uh-oh,
A
Mike.
little better. Better.
Uh-oh. He's trying to save himself now. He's paddling backwards. Our friend Les, you know the guy, They brought the oranges yesterday.
Huh?
They're Les, the guy that brought the oranges yesterday.
Yeah.
They're going over to First Watch. They've gone there every morning. They've been down here.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, they're friends with Steve, the manager. They know everybody over there already.
How about that?
He was telling me this morning at the beach. They just use your name and they give them the royal treatment over there.
Extra blueberries.
They give them everything. The royal treatment because of
That's
Roy
good.
Hazy.
That's a good time.
They get the Roy Hazy experience. All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Oh, is this time for goodbye?
It's time for goodbye. You got to eat your bacon and go take your
Yeah.
nap.
Well, it's wonderful seeing everybody. Next month, I'll be able to hear better, too. I'm going to
yeah?
get my hearing aids.
You're getting your hearing aids?
Yeah, I hope so.
Well, that'll be nice.
Yeah, November 12th.
We don't have to yell anymore.
Yeah,
But then you might hear things you don't like.
hopefully be able to hear what you're saying.
Yeah, but you know what's nice?
Huh?
If you don't want to listen to anybody, just turn them off.
Yeah, you're right.
Just switch them
go.
right off and you don't have to listen to
There you
them.
go.
All right, God bless you.
Yeah, good to see you.
All right.
Bob.
All right.
Oh, Mike,
All right, guys.
Thank you so much,
yeah,
man.
No problem.
It was
man.
nice
Thanks
seeing
for
you.
having me out.
I'm going to have another piece of that
Cook
awesome
some
bacon
bacon
now. I didn't want people hearing me sitting there crunching the whole time I was talking to Roy.
Great seeing you again, man.
Yeah, awesome. I'm
yeah.
looking forward.
I love
We
beach
will have a
family.
beach party, trust me.
Yeah.
We will have a beach party.
That's it. One more bacon.
Tomorrow you got to work, but what about the day after?
We'll see. We'll talk about it. I know
I'd
you're
like
chomping to
get
get
down-
at the beach.
I'd
We'll
like to
just,
get down to the shore.
yeah, I got to make some money.
Been quite a while.
Okay. Roy and his one-track mind. It's all about the beach. All about the beach.
Well, we're running out of bacon. That's
Yeah.
a bad thing.
Uh-oh. One piece left for me. All right. See you guys later.
All right. See you.
Tally ho.
Peace, everyone. Tally ho.
Tally-ho! Woo-hoo!